This is my 3D printable grid system for the Elgato Keylight, available to download for free from MakerWorld. First, you print the frame. I made frames for horizontally and vertically mounted keylights. You can download the full models if you have a large format 3D printer, but I also made files available for printing everything in smaller parts, like on the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, which is what I have. Next, we glue the frame pieces together. I used 2-part epoxy and let it cure overnight. Of course, we also need to print the grid inserts. I made various steps available to download, and you can find the light spread angles in the description on the MakerWorld page. Again, if you have a big 3D printer, just print the whole thing in one go, or print 2 parts like I did. You can glue those together if you want, but it is actually not necessary since these pieces are held in place nicely by the frame. Then we can mount the frame to the Elgato Keylight with 2 short 1/4-inch screws. 2 thumbs up to Elgato for putting 4 mounting points around the keylight. Put the grid inside the frame and tighten down the screws. And you have successfully limited the light spread of your Elgato Keylight. Now let me quickly show you what this grid is capable of. I have switched off all of the lights in the room except for that little pixel clock back there. It is daylight outside and a little bit of that comes in even though I closed the blinds. Now pay attention to the white shelf in the background and how much light the Elgato Keylight throws back there without the grid. Okay, off. On, off, on. Now let me put in the 50mm deep grid. Okay, the grid is in, and again, watch the shelf back there. On, off, on, off. The spread of the light is now very narrow. Almost no light hits the shelf, only the 3D printer gets a tiny little bit, since that is exactly in the line of the light and the grid. Here's before, without the grid, and after with the grid. Before, after. Check out the files over on MakerWorld, link is below. If you want to learn how to control your Elgato Keylight with a Loupedeck console, check out this video on the channel. Like, subscribe and support below. See ya!